Yama are basic rules of the society, of the world that we all have to observe. Okay? Be respectful towards each other. Do not steal. Do not cause any harm to anyone. Niyama is personal rules, your personal discipline. And I think that's very, very important. No matter what, you should have a routine of your personal discipline. Wake up in the morning, hands together, pray to whomsoever you believe, clean yourself, do your exercises, eat well. Those things are important. Number 3, asana. Asana doesn't mean doing a difficult yoga pose. You don't have to be all this super cool in tight tights and sports bra showing your beautiful body. No, that's not how asana is supposed to be. Asana, pose, is posture. Your posture is important. Your spine should be nice and straight. Your shoulders should be rolled behind. Because as we age, we start hunching. Our spine gets weaker. We need to stretch our spine. Okay? If you stand straight, you appear confident. So it's honestly not about doing all those fancy poses in super sexy clothes. I'm sorry, but that's marketed the wrong way. Okay? Traditional yoga, which is from India, the third limb means your posture. 4, Pranayama. Pranayama means prana is your energy, your vitality. So, Patanjali, the sage 5,000 years ago, who gave us this beautiful knowledge on yoga, told us if you do pranayamas, your vitality will increase. You'll have more clarity in your mind. You'll have more enthusiasm. There'll be stillness and dynamism. So pranayama is breath work. There are different techniques to increase your vitality. So to attend to your breath is extremely important, and that's pranayama. 5, Pratyahara, withdrawal of all 5 senses. It's very difficult, but at times, even if it's once a month, just shut all of your 5 senses. How much can you appreciate beauty? It's going to have its limit. How much can you see a phenomenal, fun show on Netflix? It's going to get tired. How much can you eat delicious food? It has its limits. 5 senses has its own limits. But yourself doesn't have. Your soul, true love, doesn't have any limits. The deeper you go, the beautiful it is. It's very, very, very miraculous. So, relax your 5 senses sometimes. Then comes Dharana. Dharana is one-pointed focus. Your flow. Where are you focused? Where are you flowing? Are you just everywhere? The more you are everywhere, the more distracted your mind is going to be. And the more you become focused on your own path, there'll be lots of shadows that are going to be cast over. A lot of distractions are going to be coming in your way. But that's testing your strength. Stay that one-pointed focus. For example, the river. River doesn't go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. It just flows in one direction. One direction. There'll be stones, there'll be rocks, there'll be currents, but it flows. That's how strong your mind should be. Then comes Dhyana or Dhyana, which means to meditate, to stay still, to relax, just be this existence of yours. And the last one, Samadhi. Very difficult, but nothing's impossible. Enlightenment, to become one what and how. No color, no creed, no race, nothing. Just light. You matter. Your energy field talks a lot about you, and we all have different energy fields. Your thoughts, what you eat, how you move, what you do becomes you, your energy field. Okay? So let's try this. Let's try it together. I do it. You can do it as well. We all have to do it. There's no promise of lots of money will come in, great jobs will flow, opportunities flow in. That may happen because you improve. Remember, you think shit happens. You think better happens. You think good happens. Make sense? Let's do it. Thank you for watching, and for more, please subscribe, and we'll keep posting such content. Let's have some fun while digging deep into ourselves. Lots of love. Namaste. Thank you.